Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. We can see the analysis of crude oil, natural gas and some other gold and things. Okay guys, right now you can see that it is exactly acting as a supporting area. I will just shift this so you can see here. I will make another one, a new supporting area, so you can get it. You can see here exactly I have done. You can see here exactly it has taking a resistance from this trend line only. So right now you can see here it is acting as resistance. So what we can see is that if it will act as resistance, then our first target immediate will be this guys, second target, our third target, our fourth and fifth target guys. Okay guys, these are the 5 target in downside target. In upside also, see, we can see here this is the trend line what I am seeing. So you can just see here this is the trend line. Okay guys, if it will break, then we can see the bigger momentum, but you can see here this is will act as resistance, but our first target will be here. If this will break, then our second target guys, third target, and we can achieve our fourth target too. Okay guys, in upside momentum, if it will break, so it gives us very big momentum also, so keep watching it guys. And this is the one of the trend line, and this will act as a resistance. Okay guys, in downside if take a resistance, then you can expect the bigger fall in crude oil. Okay guys, we can see that natural gas, I have told you exactly that happened in natural gas. You can check out my analysis video also, I have posted. Please go and check out there, you can get it. Okay guys, I will just shift this. This will act as a now as a supporting area. Okay guys, so what we have to do is I will just shift this, so we don't have to make any extra effort for this. So these are the downside momentum. If it will came downside, our first target, second, third and fourth target is. Okay guys, in upside momentum also, see, we can see that if it will take support somewhere here only, then our immediate first target will be here guys, immediate second target, our third target will be here guys, our fourth target guys. Okay guys, if it will once again break, then you can expect the bigger momentum also, but you have to book on second target only 80% and 20% whatever remainder is that you have to book at your fourth to fifth target guys. Okay guys, you can see the analysis also very nicely. In downside, it may be gives us very big momentum because of what I will tell you just a second, because it is at the all-time high, so it may be come up till here guys. You can see up till here means 5.832. okay guys, this will be happen, it will be came up till here or something up till here guys. So our expectation is 5.8384 approximately. Okay guys, we can see next is that gold. Okay guys, in gold also you can see that exactly taken here only resistance and came down and taking resistance continuously right now. So what we gonna see is that it will act as a one of the supporting areas. So I will just draw parallelly so we can get it. Okay, this is our nicest supporting area right now. This is the our, if it will came and take support, our first target will be here, second target, our third target if breaks and take once again support, our fourth and our last fifth target guys. Okay guys, in upside momentum. In downside momentum also we can see here guys, if it will take a resistance, then our first immediate target guys, our second immediate target guys, third immediate, fourth up till fifth guys. Okay guys, these are the 5 target in gold. We can see for coffee also. In coffee it doesn't give us very big momentum guys. So if you wanted to still trade, then I will just do analysis, but I don't take specifically in coffee. Okay guys, in coffee I don't trade. So if still I will make a analysis this. Our first target will be somewhere here guys, second, third target. Okay guys, if it will came downside guys, okay guys, came downside, take resistance somewhere here, our first target will be here guys, second target, our third target. Okay guys, our until fourth target too. Okay guys, you have to see the patiently guys. So if you like this video guys, share with your friends and families guys. I have done so many analysis, even I have made a forex pairs also. You can see there we got a jackpot only, so you can check out there. I have told you so many key points, so you can go and check out there guys. Thank you guys.